Oh man, there we go. There he comes, coming up to the top. There he is. Yes, sir. There we go, that's what I'm talking about. Ready. All right, little guy. Head on back, get big. Hi, I'm David Murray. Welcome to Gourmet Fishing. Today we're in beautiful Beaufort, South Carolina. We're on the Broad River and we're looking for cobia. We're gonna drown some eels, hopefully entice them to munch down on a few of those little weird green snake looking things. So don't go away, we'll be right back. Think of cobia as being a structure fish that you find coming in from channel buoys from offshore. They're sitting around looking for shade. They love structure. Structure holds bait fish. Now, the big question is, why do they come up the Broad River? What I understand from people a lot smarter than me and do this for a living is that it has something to do with the salinity factor of this river. It's equal to the offshore ocean. And they come in, they love the bait, they love being secure in a I guess you could say, a controlled environment. And the fish that they've sampled, 95% of those fish are ready to spawn. So they come in these rivers, they're kind of protected, they do what they gotta do, and off they go again. I try to anchor my boat such that the stern is positioned just past the high point of the hole that I'm targeting. These holes or depressions create tidal rips as the current moves in and out of the Broad River and move and disorient all the bait fish in the currents, eddies, and rips. With the stern positioned just past that high point, it allows me to drop my flatline bait straight down and position them on the downslope where the natural baits are being moved around for an easy cobia snack. All right, one of the things that cobia love to do is eat eels. They got them little swimming snakes in there, so this is not one of my most favorite things to do, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot, catch one of these and hook them up. Look at that thing. Best way to get them, I found, is a dry towel. There's our eel, yum yum. Using a circle hook, it's a 7/0 Kamagatsu, open up, right through the bottom lip. We can let him go. This one I'm going to drop straight down behind the boat. We're going to put out a chum bag in a minute, and as that chum's moving back with the current, we're going to have an eel sitting right there. So when those cobia come up to see what that smell is, they're going to find an eel, and hopefully you'll decide to eat that. Go. All right, we're gonna take this chum bag, put a bunch of weight on it, and we're gonna get it right down to the bottom, right next to our bait. American eels are nocturnal, swimming and feeding at night. Carnivores that feed on insects, fish eggs, crabs, worms, clams, and frogs. Eels will also eat dead animal matter. Eels can move equally well and forcefully forward and backwards, giving them the ability to pull, twist, and spin to tear apart large prey. Since we use circle hooks, I set a very light drag. As the cobia inhale and move off with the bait, the light drag will alert me and allow the cobia to swim off without too much resistance. I pick up the rod, tighten the drag, pull back with a constant pressure, and let the circle hook and the cobia hook itself. My rig of choice for cobia, Gamakatsu 7/0 circle hook, 50-pound leader, and I like to snell my hooks to the line. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. We can take our line, insert it through the eye, make a large loop, lay the tag in down the shank, and I will pinch the eye with the line like this. And we take this, rotate it over. We're going to start making about 10 loops. And every time I make a loop, I try to keep it tight against the previous one, just like this. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can count too. 8, 9. This will be our last one. I'm going to take my middle finger, put pressure there, and take these 2 fingers. This is a handful. And we've got everything in one hand. Take the line and draw it tight. And then take this tag in and pull it. Pull tight, we'll trim this off, and we're ready to fish. Oh man, here we go. There he comes, coming up to the top. There he is. Yes, sir. There we go, that's what I'm talking about. Looks like a little guy though, daggone it. Well, then again, maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see. He's coming back behind us. Of course, he would be in the sun, wouldn't he? Yeah, he's daggone it. He's a little guy. Whoa. All right. Oh man, unfortunately this little guy, because like I said, he's little, unfortunately. State of South Carolina, they have to be at least 33 inches fork length. And obviously this little guy is maybe 24, so we're gonna have to let him go. And the good thing about this is it's a circle hook. That's a little baby cobia right there. We're gonna let him go. They need to be at least 33 inches from tip to fork. And he is not quite there. So we can let him go. Get you ready. All right, little guy, head on back, get big. Hey, I tell you what, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click that little notification bell, and if you like the video, give it a little thumbs up, and please leave any comments you want. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. As I've said before, Instagram and our handle, we've got 2 T's and gourmet. It's one of those things we just had to do. Until next time, God bless, and we'll see you then.